one more step can make you wow your date, and that is to cook for them. After all, you know the saying, right? The way to somebody's heart is through their stomach.
Oh yeah, but you don't have to go to a pricey restaurant for a romantic meal. No, you don't. Chef Lauren Covas is a two-time Food Network champion and a Jersey girl. She's joining us with 3 Valentine's Day meals that you can make at home, and they are not going to break the bank. Welcome to New York Living. This is, especially here in New York City, this is music to our ears.
What a spread, too.
Thank you. Thank you. We got dinner on a budget.
Dinner on a budget for everybody. So you say that all of the meals that we're going to look at today can be recreated for $45 or less.
$45 or less,
right.
And 3 different kinds of themes and families.
Amazing.
So
nice.
We're going to start with the mom.
Wait, before we start, let me just say this really quick. Scan the QR code, folks. We put all the recipes.
Yes.
We put all the recipes there. We want to make sure that you don't have to like scribble furiously. All the recipes are on our website. Scan the QR code to follow along. Sorry to interrupt. Let's do it.
Don't worry about it. So kick your heels off and stay in is kind of my concept. Valentine's Day, it's expensive. You go to restaurants, they're busy, reservations.
If you can get a reservation.
Yeah. So forget about it. And let's do a crock pot meal. You're going to work. Working family, working parents. The slow-cooked meat, super inexpensive. You can buy a tougher piece of meat. It cooks slow in the crock pot, super tender. Mashed potatoes, gravy. Store-bought cookies, which are not expensive. Make ice cream sandwiches for dessert.
Oh,
so this is for the family who might have kids that are little. You're going to put them to bed. You're going to pour a glass of wine. You're going to sit down, and now you can eat.
Been there.
You know?
Been there. I know
it's
that
like
move.
Dinners while you're
I
moving
love the
around.
crock pot meal, and that just goes in the slow cooker.
Yep.
Little barbecue sauce, some veggies, and let it go all day.
Yep.
Love that.
This one is if you don't have kids, maybe,
little fancier,
right? A little fancier. This is the 45 budget.
Okay.
And it's from my cookbook. It's Portuguese themed. It's shrimp with white beans and chorizo with bread to dip up all that sauce, some rice pudding for dessert, and a nice salad. So each meal has like a starter, a main course, and a dessert. And for 45 bucks, this is 1 bag of shrimp. Just flip it.
Really?
You're not going to finish this with you and your wife.
No,
like
that's so
with the
good.
bread and the salad, that's a lot. So this is more of a come home, pour a glass of wine, let's cook dinner together, let's make it a Valentine's experience.
I like that. How long does a pudding take to make?
So this takes around 45 minutes.
Okay.
So you can start that, let it sit and cool.
Let it set.
Get dinner going, go back to it, put a movie on, like, especially this year, it falls on a Saturday.
Yes, perfect
Right,
night. You have the
perfect
full
movie night, the whole 9
too.
yards.
Absolutely.
I hope Ryan is watching to get some ideas here, right?
Honey, are you listening?
Well, and now my thing is I have 2 kids at home, and they're going to want to spend Valentine's Day with us. So I wanted to do dinner for family.
Right.
So pastas, what kids don't like pasta? Lasagna.
All kids like pasta.
Take the two, and it's like a penne lasagna bake with cheese and vodka sauce. Get the veggies in, roast some broccoli on the side. That's your full meal, and then I just made some chocolate mousse.
What are those?
And the recipe's on there. That's homemade. That doesn't take a long time.
Really?
Kids can help with that. They can pipe it into the cups, make it interactive. Everyone sits down and has dinner together.
I think, one of the things I'm realizing here is how much presentation matters. Do you know what I mean? Like if I made that, it just wouldn't look like that. Like what would be your big tip for making sure that what you put on the table on Valentine's Day looks as good as it's going to taste?
So everything here is from the dollar store.
Really?
Wait, what?
Every single thing on the table.
All the serving stuff?
All the serving stuff is from the dollar store. Even this dish here, they sell like the glassware, plates. So you can go, and let's say if you want to just make it fancy for one night and buy a little set, you're not breaking the bank at all.
No.
You can buy little accents to throw and put the red tables.
Some decorations as well for the house. Make it feel like a whole theme.
And we all have that china from our wedding that we really barely use. Yeah. Break out a couple of those dishes, put them out for the special occasion.
Love it. Chef Lauren, that is great. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining us. Again, I want to tell everybody, scan the QR code on your screen. All of these recipes, exactly how to make them, are there, or you can just head over to pix11.com/recipes.